1. Transforming diners into unstoppable business powerhouses. 2. Welcome to our video where we unravel the secret recipe of turning a simple diner into a thriving business. Let's dive into the journey of transformation and profitability. 3. The first and foremost aspect is location. It's crucial to select a place that is accessible and attracts a heavy footfall. Remember, your diner should be where the crowd is. 4. Secondly, consider the menu. A concise but diverse menu that caters to all taste buds attracts a wider audience. Make sure it appeals to both the health-conscious and indulgent food lovers. 5. The importance of customer service can't be overstated. Exceptional service keeps customers coming back. Empower your staff with training to provide top-notch service consistently. 6. Keep an eye on the competition. Learn from their successes and failures. Stay aware of market trends and customer preferences. 7. Design and ambience play a critical role. A diner with a unique design and a comfortable ambience is more likely to draw and retain customers. 8. Pricing is a game changer. Competitive pricing that offers value for money encourages customer loyalty and repeat business. 9. Marketing and promotion help get the word out. Harness the power of social media, local advertising, and word-of-mouth promotions. 10. Incorporate sustainability. Customers appreciate businesses that show care for the environment. Use eco-friendly materials and promote sustainable practices. 11. Consistency is key. Maintain consistent quality and service levels to build a strong reputation. Remember, reputation is the backbone of your business. 12. Regularly update your menu. Keep it exciting and fresh. Introduce new dishes, seasonal specials, and festive offerings. 13. Embrace technology. Use modern POS systems, online booking, and ordering platforms for a seamless customer experience. 14. Invest in community engagement. Participate in local events, sponsor activities, and collaborate with local businesses. This builds goodwill and attracts local customers. 15. Always prioritize cleanliness. This is non-negotiable. A clean, hygienic diner is a safe diner. 16. Focus on employee retention. Happy employees mean happy customers. Provide a fair wage, incentives, and a positive work environment. 17. Lastly, always be ready to adapt. Agility in business operations helps overcome unforeseen challenges. 18. Transforming your diner into a thriving business is a challenging yet rewarding journey. Each decision you make contributes to your diner's success story. 19. We hope this video has provided you with some valuable insights. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all solution, but these strategies will surely give your diner a competitive edge in the bustling food industry.